Founded in 2011, Guangzhou JQX Import and Export Company Limited is an experienced company of mobile phone accessories including phone case, screen protector, phone charger, phone cable, batteries, and earphone. With its own created brand, Smallstone, JQX has enjoyed a reputation from the industry and foreign clients. Reputed the title of quality suppliers on Alibaba global source network platforms, JQX has set up branch offices in Panama, freight forwarders, and in Latin America occupied a certain market share. JQX serves clients from places in the world including Latin America, United States, and Canada. There is a professional and experienced technical QC team control the quality for each product in JQX. Focus on every detail with the design, sales, production, transportation, after-sales of non-stop services. Clients of JQX enjoy professional, convenient, integrity, and speed service. As the new rising core brand, Smallstone has thrived for the recent 5 years since its initial foundation, engaging in brandy phone chargers, data USB cables, earphones, power banks, and screen protectors, insisted on the value of shared quality manufacturing with the world. Smallstone has successfully developed a series of laudable digital products. Quality, design, and service make JQX, safety packaging, variety shipping channels, and strong clearance capability make JQX reliable. We warmly welcome your patronage and will serve our clients with products of reliable quality and thoughtful service.